Okay, friends, so what we've agreed upon for a deck of cards. So here's a standard deck of cards, 52 in total, 4 suits, but that's not important. What's important is the fact that it's half red and half black. So you got some black cards, red cards, half and half. So if I shuffle them up really, really well, and then I deal off the top, there is exactly a 50% chance that this card is red, and exactly a 50% chance that it's black. So let's pull it off and see. Okay, that one was red. It's the Queen of Hearts. I'm going to put it over here. Now, that card being red has now influenced the next card here. Because knowing that one's red, there was an exact 50% chance for that one because 26 out of the 52 cards were red. And 26 divided by 52 is exactly 50%, or 0.5. This card now has less of a chance of being red, and therefore more of a chance of being black. And why? Well, why is because there are now only 51 cards left in the deck, and of those 51, only 25 are red. So the chance of this being a red card is slightly less than it was here. Here, it was 26 out of 52. Here, it's 25 out of 51. Now that's pretty close to a half, but it's still not as good as a black card. I didn't know that was going to be a black card. The chance of a black card, of course, was still out of 51 cards, but there were still 26 of them here. Now, we've got one red and one black card. That means there's an equal number of red and black, but this card probability is now also affected by the cards we've already seen. And that's what's kind of interesting about dealing cards versus rolling a die. When you deal cards off of a deck, every card that comes out affects what's left in the deck, which is exactly why people card count in Vegas. It's exactly why. With a die, you can't die count, because every time you roll a die, it's exactly 1 in 6 chance of it getting any of the sides. And this is what led Katie, I think, to her question when she said, well, then I think it matters if you deal a card from down in the middle of the deck, or even down near the bottom of the deck. Those are all going to change, because the only card we knew in the beginning was at the very top, being 50-50. And that's what we're going to explore in this problem right here.